Are you tired of seeing others succeed while you struggle to make a single penny online? It's not your fault. You're just missing some key knowledge. Imagine knowing the exact strategies that successful marketers use, the ones that always work. What if you could learn them now instead of years from now? The frustration of constant failure can be overwhelming. But what if you could break the cycle and start seeing real results? It's not about luck or being cursed. It's about knowing the right things, the things that experienced marketers recognize instantly. Years ago, Tony struggled with something as simple as moving a car because he didn't know one crucial detail. Just like you might be missing that one piece of knowledge to succeed online. Seeing others make tens of thousands while you make zero is infuriating. But they aren't doing the same things as you. They know the missing pieces. Life is about making mistakes and learning. But how many mistakes can you afford to make before you give up? With Wormhole Profits, we're offering you a fast track, a crash course in what actually works to make money online. No more guessing, no more endless mistakes. In 30 days, you will have the knowledge and skills that would take you at least a year to learn on your own. The journey to success starts now. We're giving you the keys to the safe. Whether you use them to unlock your potential is up to you. Start your journey today.